Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Humana dental insurance. So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you that the only method to cancel your Humana dental insurance or any kind of insurance, you need to contact with the customer support team. So you need to dial this number as you can see on your screen. So this is the number. You need to dial this number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your insurance, and they will ask you some questions related to your policy, and they will guide you each and every information related to your policy cancellation, and you can say all terms and conditions before cancellation, and that's it. So this is the only method by which you can cancel your Humana insurance. If you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and make sure you are dialing this number only on using this time frame. Otherwise you will get some difficulty while connecting with the customer support team, and if you are dialing this number in this time frame, then you need to call on this number, and only on using this time frame. Okay, so if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply soon, and there is also one method. You can also send them an written request. So the written request must be follow these you can say methods, but this method is a little bit longer, and you need to follow, and you need to be wait for some time, and it will take lots of time. So that's why the calling method is the best method to cancel your any kind of dental insurance or any kind of Humana insurance. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.